If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What is going on, people? It's your boy Mr. Bucket List, and here today I'm in the Palazzo at the Venetian Hotel doing a hotel tour and review. Let's check it out. Now before we get started with this tour, I just want to let you all know that this is one of the prettiest and most elegant and classy hotels that I personally have ever been to. Just the scenery, the atmosphere, everything about it was just extremely nice. I really enjoyed just my entire stay. I just want to put it out there before we even get started. Alright, so let's head to my room, number 28706. So this actually was on a higher floor than I was at the Caesar's Palace, and I really enjoyed the view. Now, as far as the room, let's first go ahead and start off with the bathroom. Now, the bathroom itself was fairly big. I didn't realize that it had both a shower and a tub until I had to take a second look at it. So basically, you got your stand-up shower, and then you got your really nice and deep tub. So that was really nice. You also got like a huge mirror and just double sinks. It's just, as you all can see, it's really luxurious, really clean looking, really nice. And so I know I just did that video about staying in the hood, and this is like a complete 180 from that experience. It was everything I wanted plus more. I enjoyed it so much. Now, as we head from the bathroom, let's go ahead and head out to the actual room itself. Alright, so as you all can see, this room was huge. Now, one thing I learned from my research was, as far as the Palazzo and the Venetian, all of their hotel rooms are considered suites, and so they're all huge like this. So honestly, unless you're just extremely rich, there is no reason to upgrade your room, because the rooms are huge as they are. And even at the Palazzo, so apparently the rooms at the Palazzo are a little bit bigger than the ones at the Venetian, a little bit newer, updated, I believe, from what I saw. Either way, I enjoyed it. So as you can see, it has this huge TV. This thing was like a 65-inch, plenty of trunk space. Just everything was just huge, just really nice. And remember, when I stayed here, it was literally just for me. So all this for one single black guy, like, amazing. And then even this over here, you have this huge like family room area. Now, I only used it a couple times when I had a little mini party going on, but outside of that, it's just this hotel, it was just nice, just extremely nice. Just plenty of space, like literally. It's like something you would do as like a honeymoon or something like that. And ironically, I wasn't there by myself, at least getting there. But either way, it was everything I could want plus more. It's just best way to break it down. Now, another thing I want to point out is, just like at Caesar's, this one also did have the automatic blinds. Now, of course, since this room was a lot bigger, I actually had 2 sets of blinds for each side. But either way, like I said, the view itself this time, instead of me actually facing a parking lot, this time it was actually directly over the strip. And then, not to mention, it was over the strip and over the pool. So I kind of got like a mixture of both, and it was just beautiful. I literally, when I had dinner, at first I was chilling on the bed watching TV, and I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get a bottle of champagne, just kind of take this view in and eat. So I literally got room service, like, with this view, it was perfect. Like, literally, it was like, this is the Vegas experience that I wanted to have. So before I go any further about my actual room service itself, I just want to go ahead and put it out there, you all. This is definitely going to be a must-do. This hotel, in my opinion, from my experience, it was perfect. Beautiful room. Even the guy, when I first checked in, it was another black guy, and I literally had just came from Death Valley, so I was all sweaty and just dirty looking, just looking crazy. And he noticed it. He was like, "Hey man, you okay? You looking kind of rough. Like, what, can I help you? Can I?" Like, it was just really cool that he actually noticed it versus just playing it off like it wasn't there. And I was like, "Yeah, I literally went through the desert just to check it out, and now I'm here, and I'm so happy." And so, he really made me feel welcome. He gave me some little perk for something I didn't use, but either way, like I said, this hotel is definitely, I would say, at least try it out one time, because it is one of the nicest hotels on the Strip, hands down. And then as far as my quick food reviews, so I did end up getting room service. What I ended up getting was the filet mignon and some grits and rainbow vegetables and bread and butter. And it was good. I mean, it wasn't the best steak I've ever had, but at the same time, it did kind of fit the mood as far as what I was trying to accomplish, as far as just having that ritzy Las Vegas, just VIP feeling. So it was definitely there. So I appreciate that. I mean, altogether, I think my bill was like $70 or $80 for everything. So I mean, it was fairly expensive for one meal for room service, but I mean, you get what you pay for. I mean, it is the high quality, high price stuff. So yeah. Now, last but not least, I just want to kind of let you all know as well. Of course, if you saw in the opening of this video, this hotel is huge. I stay in the Palazzo, but this is a part of the Venetian. They have the Grand Canal shops. They have different performances. There is so much to do at this hotel, between seeing shows, riding boats, eating. I mean, just, it's packed. And I mean, I can't stress it enough. If you all really want to have a high quality, high VIP experience in a hotel at Las Vegas, this, at least for me, this did it. It may not be everybody's cup of tea because it has that really elegant, kind of classy feel. But for me, I mean, going from Caesars to this, it was like, Caesars wasn't bad. I won't say it was bad, but this really just definitely was so much higher class and so much higher quality than Caesars. I really, really enjoyed it. So I hope you all enjoyed it as well. Alright, and that is it for the Palazzo. So I hope you all enjoyed this review. Now, I've been doing a lot of different things about my trip in Vegas, so if you have not seen my Caesars review, check that out in the cards. Somewhere in the video, it'll be linked somewhere around here. And also, just check out my other videos I've done, like my documentary, my playlist. I've done so much in Vegas, so if you all are really interested about going to Vegas, check out what I have on my channel. And until then, I'll see you next time. It's your boy, Mr. Bucket List. Peace out.